You're welcome back to ETC Food and Pastries. Right here, we'll be giving you updates about things we do about intercontinental food, continental, local dish, African local dish, and other pastries. Okay, today we'll be preparing what we call Chinese egg rice. Wow, I've never heard about this before, but okay, we'll do it today, and you're going to see how the process looks like, and you enjoy it. Please, if you're first time coming across this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel so that you'll be getting more updates. Please, here's our head chef. She will tell us how the process be. All right.
Hello, once again, everybody. Hello. So today we are going to be making Chinese egg rice. So basically, it is not so difficult to make. It's quite easy. The little things, little vegetables you have at home can make that. So I'm going to start with the ingredients, what you will need to make this delicious meal.
Soy sauce, house seasoning mango, grounded ginger, thyme. And we have the raw rice, parboiled rice, and normal rice. We have grounded pepper, we have egg, we have the beef, we have the green pea, we have the onions, garlic, we have the carrots.
Add your egg on fire. Sorry. Sesame oil. Tiny bit of sesame oil. Add a little groundnut oil. Onions, please. Add your aromatics, your onion. Stir until translucent. Add your pepper. Green peas. Yes, curry. The peas is not fresh, and that's the reason why you're not seeing the green the way you're supposed to be seeing the green. Try as much as possible that when you're getting your vegetables, let it be fresh so that the color can be as vibrant as possible.
All right, you're welcome back, my people, my viewers all over the world. Um, our chef, Alpha, how the thing be?
I did. I think you go where? You go
We,
where? We thank God.
so this is the outcome of the
This is the outcome of the Chinese egg rice.
Chinese egg rice.
Yes.
Okay, I wish you day life, not for contest, but you can prepare it from your home. Okay, and please do well to follow us on our YouTube page to come across this video. I'll be bringing you more updates always. Thank you.